What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ty Have. We back with another banger. Shut the fuck up, truck. Anyways, we finna goddamn bro. Today we finna be vlogging this shit. B Slime, Lil Uzi goddamn video shoot. You go tune in. Y'all go tune in.
I might pull up with your boo. Then hit a 5-star restaurant, order me and her some soup. No matter how thick the bitch is, I won't put it before my loot. I'm fresh as fuck, fresh off high speed chase like Polo Pool. You will never catch me telling another nigga what I won't do.
Boy, what you got to say to the boy, what?
I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking
You dig what I'm trying to do? You dig what I'm doing? What we doing today?
Yeah, man, we on Bleeding Up Me right now, man. You know what I'm saying? B Slime video shoot, dig.
Dig what I'm doing? Go.
B Slime Uzi video shoot.
Oh, God. Oh, everybody. Slime, what we doing today? What we doing?
I'm coming. Push the money, never square.
Yeah, man, got that shit on too, man. Got that shit on, not off. You dig what I'm doing? Dig what I'm saying? Swaggy daddy.
What?
You vlogging? Hey y'all. What's up? Yeah, it's your girl, big motherfucking Nini. Gang. Dior Slim. Make sure y'all go follow my Instagram. What's your name? Shy. I need you on a public interview.
We do that.
You do YouTube?
Interesting.
Oh, yeah.
We got interview on y'all too. Say like. Why the hell your stomach hurts, man? What the hell you doing? Eating that ass? Eating that ass. That's what it was. Gotta start doing that. I give myself a so you like smart, but you don't smart. Okay, so what building has the most stories? With who?
What building has the most stories?
What building has the most stories?
What building has the most stories?
What building has the most? What? Right? The building, right? Like building, right? You're talking about building, right?
Yeah. What building has the most stories?
I don't know what is it? Dig what I'm saying. In this bitch. Got the goddamn slime. What we tell for, man?
On the cover, I ain't gon' clout.
He heard what you said. He ain't gonna, hey, shh. Tell you. Alright, what's up? Who we got today?
Dior.
I really don't give a fuck. Who we got?
Hold on.
Who we got?
You need to apologize to my friend.
Who we got today? Who we got?
Anyways, this big motherfucking Nini, and I don't know who he.
I don't even care, but look though. Anyways, y'all smart though, right?
Yeah.
Y'all smart?
It don't seem like you smart to be
Alright.
talking to us like that.
You don't think so?
You know what I'm saying?
God
I
damn.
don't know.
Damn. Why you doing that? What's your name again? Who we got? Who we got
Big
again?
motherfucking Nini.
Okay, who we got again?
Dior.
Alright, there we go. Anyway, y'all spell elephant. Spell elephant if you so smart.
I didn't say I was smart.
Oh, hell no.
ELEF. Oh no! Wait.
Hold on. How you spell that shit?
ELEPHANT. Elephant.
Oh damn, she got it right. God damn. She a little smart, but you ain't get that shit right though.
I'm high. So
Hey, come here, twin. Come here. You smart, bro? Nah, bro, you ain't dumb, bro. Out of 1 through 10, how smart you is?
Like a 3.
Man, fuck that shit. We finna tell that nigga spell cat. Spell cat.
B-A-T.
God damn, he got it. Oh, he got it right. We ain't bleeding.
B-A-T.
Oh shit.
Bleeding.
We ain't bleeding. Come on.
Hey, I want to get in the video though.
Hey, come on, man. I'm playing. he ain't saying nothing. Hey, right.
Give these niggas something to say. Duct tape in a dirty rape. Dirty like on curb, bitch. I don't fuck with shorter than me. Tennessee, I just get it lit.
Bro, I can't wait for fucking lose, bro. What the fuck, bro? Like, come on, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like, fuck. Homie Mike pulled up on me, man. I'm all in the fucking rain trying to nigga ring shit. Like, I know it said the video over, but god damn.
That boy out here in the cutting air.
God damn, shit pissing the fuck off. I'm trying to put this to that shit. My tires bought, like, fucking blow up. Everything, man. What? What's up into goddamn BBC whip, man? Fuck that whip, bro. Like, I had my baby. I never had no type of problem, bro. Whole year and a half. First day I hit a fucking big ass mountain. My shit fucked up, and I think my wheels are coming out. I'm just gonna end the video like this right now. Y'all still like, comment, subscribe.